Y'all see it, right? Can y'all guess what I might be trying to make? I did say try. Y'all gotta stay tuned for this video, okay? And shout out to Nene. That's y'all #1 hint if y'all know who Nene is. Of course, y'all thought I was gonna be doing a video like this. Wrong again. So let me go ahead and find me an intro I'm about to go ahead and put together so y'all can look at that for a second. Then y'all come back to me looking all ready to cook in the kitchen sexy. Okay, so right now I'm just sauteing some onions. And this is what I'm going to be using over here. I cheated just a little bit. So I'm going to be using some of that. And put that in there. This off and I'm going to cut that on up, baby. That's going in there. He like when I ride that, pick it up, throw it back, drop that shit. Never go back and forth with a nigga. I'm too pretty, gotta start that shit. I'm lit. How Casamina goes. My pretty white tails, my natural afro. He like when I ride that, pick it up, throw it back, drop that shit. So the rice is in there. Gonna stir it up. Chicken broth, gonna add. Okay, so now I'm just stirring everything up, and I decided to go ahead and do a voiceover and talk to y'all. Hope y'all subscribe to parchment paper. Put it on something, you know what I'm saying? Because you got to get them things in that ball. And this is the part where I said, like, you can add shredded cheese to it or cream cheese, whatever you want to add to it. I didn't add no cream cheese, which I should have added some type of cheese. It would have been the glue to the jambalaya, to the rice, to the chicken, to the sausage, to the tomatoes. It was a learning process, but I figured it out. Like I said, you need to at least freeze them for about a good hour, for real. But hopefully y'all love my video inspired by Nene Munchie. So go ahead and subscribe to her channel. And I want to say, I got to give her flowers while you know you can. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really want to congratulate her on, I think she almost has 70K subscribers. Like, keep doing your thing, Nene. And y'all need to check out her vlogs. I know everybody love her ASMR. So I wish I could do that too, but I can't. Let me quit talking, y'all. About to eat. Okay, I'm about to sit down and eat in 1 second with y'all. I can't believe I did it. Okay, y'all, this is the end of the video. I want to say, if y'all not subscribed to Nene Munchies, y'all need to subscribe to her channel. She do vlogs, she do ASMR, she even doing everything on there, okay? This woman went viral. So congratulations. Like, she did her thing. She went viral. I call it, okay? Now, I've been subscribed to her for a minute. I just, you know, I tried to do ASMR before, but it didn't work out for me. That's not for me. Maybe I try one day once I like get a camera set up or I get a microphone. Or I should have Thudy do the ASMR. Anyway, let's get into this. Let me quit talking. And I was like, shout out to you, Nene. This is the one with the flaming hot. Y'all see that? My balls don't look like hers, but baby, I did my best. This is the cheese, and it goes inside. Oh my God, it's coming apart already. Do y'all understand? Like, do y'all see that? Do y'all see the cheese? Like, I don't even want to pull it away. It's hot. But let me get this first bite. I don't know what Nene puts in her recipe, but this is good. Maybe use my seasoning. I don't know. But it was fire though. And I thought the flaming hot was gonna be too hot, so I made one just with breadcrumbs, you know, a regular one. What? So if anybody want to try this recipe, you should try it. Don't forget to freeze the jambalaya balls. Don't freeze them overnight like I did. Don't do that. Don't go to sleep. Don't leave them in there and go to sleep. But freeze them for about like 1 to 3 hours. We can get that consistency in there. But like I said, I didn't use cheese in mine. That's probably why I didn't hold as much. I used the cheese just for this. But I'm gonna need y'all to do one more thing. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And like, comment, and subscribe to her channel. What? Nene doing her thing. Let me finish. Go ahead and finish eating. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please try this recipe. Be safe.